right, so we're back now, and it's time to dig into the electrical parts here. Let's get all these cables disconnected. We'll just take out everything that we can and explore as we go. All right? So it all begins with taking off all of these connectors here for the big umbilicals. I'm going to grab a tool. Which one is that?
Same as
what number?
Everything. That
the other one? Okay.
12 millimeters.
12? I have 12. I have 12 and a plan. Here, we'll start getting the angle ones out the sides.
Okay.
And I'll start getting these.
No.
Olivier, I like this tool. I like it a lot. And I'm making a mess. Can you start cutting the zip ties and whatnot so we can pull these out? There's some pretty gnarly zip ties. Can we maybe move the bucket a little closer? I fail at basketball. You can tell.
Quite, yes.
You can tell by the pile of random bolts all over the floor.
Here's the one I was looking for.
Yeah? Have I mentioned that I really like this tool? I'm just going to start working my way across on those. Pretty cool plug. Let's show people the plug. All right, here is the main power connector. I'll let you guys zoom in on it. This is a standard battery plug for high amperage DC stuff. Now you'll see these in a million different sizes. It's a polarized plug with two connectors, and you'll see these all the way down from ones that are so tiny you could actually stick them both in one half of this, that you'll see a lot on computer battery backup units, to some that are much larger than this that I've seen used for use on diesel electric locomotives. But that is that's our battery plug, and that's a very useful recyclable part. And it gets all this stuff out of the way, which is good. All right.
Wait for it.
Oh, that's the last one?
Almost. I have a
We
few
still got to
that
figure out
side.
these two, but this will let us start getting a lot of the jangly mess
Okay,
out of it.
that one comes out.
Okay. So that's that. Oh yeah, now we're getting a lot of stuff
And
out.
this one you should be able to get.
Okay.
Yeah.
And grab the dikes and here, I'll grab the dikes, we'll take that out.
Okay.
There, that'll free up that one.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is pleasant. Can you imagine a guy who had to engineer and design all this?
Would want to be him.
Yeah, and this is probably done before like AutoCAD.
Someone wasted a few hours on that.
See if you can
The coiled one.
feed that through.
Oh. Yep.
Got it. There, that's a nice piece of 1 gauge wire. Oh yeah, that's for the EV project. Okay, and it's a lot cleaner in here all of a sudden.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of stuff out now. We got your pieces there. And
Don't
that
bend
is
them.
one of the pieces. I'll bet it bends back. Where's that go? Oh, hey, Ollie.
Oh, okay.
It goes to this. Can you wiggle those off? Hey, grab it. Get in there like a man. Like a manly man. You got it. There you go.
Yep.
Is that it?
And these two.
Those two. Are they off? Okay, what's holding it now? Dike that out?
Like.
Dikes. don't need that, don't need that. Some of these go down internal. That.
Okay.
Okay, is that it? Is there anything on this side? No! Okay.
Yay.
Now let's take a look at what we got here. We'll take this right out front and show it to them. Okay, we've got a big capacitor. Let me see that set of dikes, please. Thank you. I'm gonna cut that right there. And that's in there. Oh man, that's part of a. It's already screwed. I already killed it. Yeah, I need my lineman's pliers, please. So that's a big capacitor. And what do we got? Lots of terminal strips, lots of diodes.
Those were fuses.
Yeah, these were fuses here. Yeah. Let's grab the fuses. We'll show it to them. Thank you, sir.
Here.
Man, that's on there really good. Okay, so we've got a 250 volts DC, 150 microfarad cap from 1979, made by Nichicon. There, you can get a look at that. That's our old capacitor for this. And what else do we have? We have the fuses, which are
96 volts DC.
520 amps. And they all look the same. This one's much newer and shinier. We'll let you guys zoom in on those. Get a look at that. These are really cool looking fuses. They're ceramic. So 520 amp fuses. I bet we can trip those in Thumper instantly. So we got those. We've got, these were the fuse blocks here. And these are
Thermals.
Here to big. Well, there's stuff under it. So it may be more than just a terminal strip.
That seems like the controller.
Yeah, that's probably the brains to it. Oh, and look at that.
Okay.
High-tech upgrade parts there.
And another one.
Here, zoom in on those. We'll give you guys a shot of that. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. That's neat. Old school circuit board stuff. So, we'll toss those aside because we're not
It's not hand-drawn, but...
No, it's pretty old, though. There's this gigantic diode, or maybe something else. I don't think it's just a diode because I see extra wires going to it. All right, grab a screwdriver that fits those, and we'll take those off. I think this is a current sensor. Yeah, that's a current sensor. That's for current metering there. So that's actually booty.
That's the smallest one we have.
Okay, that'll work. We'll take this off because I want that part. That's really cool. I don't think this is just a diode. It's got too many wires. A diode should just have two. It's really serious, though. Those two are just diodes. In fact, together like that with a common side, it's probably a half-wave rectifier. You having fun, Oliver?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Taking apart a forklift.
It's not something you get to do every day.
No.
And, you know, we're generating a fortune for the Geek Group in saved hardware parts. Yeah. What is that?
Huh?
I have no idea what the hell that is.
Okay,
Absolutely no
that's
idea.
Wait.
Okay, big screwdriver here. Can you get that off?
There's a screw down in there.
What do you need?
The one you have.
Take it.
So,
By all means, take it.
yep.
You got it?
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, that's
Oh,
screw.
hey, look, ice cube relays. There's two of those right there. What are they rated?
Maybe one to sockets. Oh, no.
They used to say, but it's all worn off. Probably 24 volt DC,
Yep.
5 amps.
Dikes would be handy right now.
I have dikes right here.
Okay.
Hang on, where do those go? No, we want to unscrew that one. The ones out the
I need
bottom
the
we can
Phillips.
dice. I don't. Oh, there.
It's right next to you.
You take that, and the other one's disconnected. And then those we don't care. And these we don't care. So we'll cut those.
What's that?
That is a temperature sensor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
You take apart enough coffee pots and toaster ovens, and you get to be able to recognize those pretty quick.
mm-hmm.
That's a resistor there, ceramic resistor. What are you doing? No, that's
just
worthless.
clip it.
Just clip it. There.
Okay, so this goes out of the
Alright,
way.
so that's how
And there's straps keeping it together.
I can fix that.
Fix or break it, depends on what fuel you have.
It's fixed. I fixed it.
The way we see it, it's fixed.
Yes. All right. Now, I want to get down into this. I'm going to see your screwdriver.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit corroded. Do you notice how these screws look like they're made out of lead? They're not, because the bottoms don't look right, but the tops are all like really gungy. I'm guessing that's just exposure to the acid environment. All right, so that one's off. Now we have an as yet unidentified part here. It's labeled 90 or 9D, and it's a big can. I have no idea what this is, but it's really cool, and it's very high amperage. If you know what it is, comment. It's the unidentified part. It's pretty cool looking. All right, now these, I want these blocks really bad. These diodes are cool, and I'm pretty sure we don't have a socket big enough to just take them out, so we're gonna have to do it the hard way. So we're gonna get this apart and do all the twiddly bits. We'll be back in just a second and show you guys what we found. For over a decade, Morrison Industrial Equipment has provided the Geek Group with all of the forklifts used by our facilities. Everything from a little old one that we could take apart just for an equipment autopsy, to the giant Lindy they loaned us to move our huge robots and power supplies into the Grand Rapids labs, to our tried and true Big Yellow, which has been our main forklift for years. The Geek Group recommends Morrison Industrial Equipment with the absolute highest regards. If your company needs a forklift anywhere in Southwest Michigan, check out morrison-ind.com and tell them the Geek Group sent you. Till then, we'll see you next time. All right, we're back. And now we're going to go through the stuff we cleaned up a little bit, did some generic tidying. We got these out of the way, which is really cool. Talk about these. What are they?
Cylinders. They hold up the lid.
Yeah, they hold up the lid on the
It's
thing.
kind of like the trunk in a car.
Wow, these don't work at all, do they?
I don't think so.
It's well, given that they're fully, like, you can push it in and it stays there,
Just
they
the
don't work at
sound.
all. Yeah, they're just dead. So that's trash. I know what we could do with these. Put them on Batman's truck as shock absorbers. They're better than what he has. All right, so we don't need that. We pulled all the stuff off of here. We found some thyristors on really big, like that's just a big inch-thick chunk of aluminum heat sink there. So do you want to talk about what a thyristor is and how it works? You're an electronics
Go
guy.
ahead.
Huh?
You go ahead. It's been way back for me.
Wait, school for you was like last week.
No. I learned about these in high school, and I've yet to learn about these in college.
Oh, so you're out of date on thyristors.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like my next course.
Okay, well here, we'll you know what we do? We totally cheat, and we'll just send people right to the Wikipedia page, and we'll just put a link right here.
Yeah.
Thyristor. There. It's kind of like a super diode. Think of it like that. Well,
Yeah, it's something
It
about-
is, but it isn't. It's kind of like a transistor,
It's
kind of like a
diode
diode.
that only
It's
lets
like a
current through
switchable
if-
diode,
yeah,
kind of.
something like that.
Yeah,
But-
it's a thyristor. So, and we have diodes.
Yeah.
Now
those
these
diodes,
are
for
just
sure.
plain diodes, and they're really big. The part number on them is 70M as in Michael 20, and we looked them up on findchips.com, couldn't find anything. But these are big, high amperage diodes. They're over 100 amps for sure, probably 200 amps. and they're ferocious big diodes. Now there's 2 of them here that both point in, so this is a half-wave rectifier. And we've got another one here which points out. So all we need is 1 more. We don't have it.
Here.
And that's a smaller one though. See, it's smaller.
It's a diode.
So, well, there's another half-wave rectifier there. No, because that's a diode
And a
and
thyristor.
a thyristor. So, yeah, okay. So we got some really serious, hardcore
Electrical stuff.
electrical stuff there.
DC
We got
electrical
we got the fuses.
Uh-huh.
There's only 1 contactor in there so far. I think there's more on the back of that. I think that's what those things are.
Yeah,
Those big
those are
contactors.
big contactors.
All right.
for-
So let's dig into those.
Yep.
All right. Cool.
All right. So these cables, we should be able to pull them through there.
Yeah, I can do that if
So-
you want. You want to start digging that out, or you want to do the cables? It's your call. Pick one.
I'll do the cables.
You do the cables? Okay. What I would do is grab these
Yeah.
and bend the tabs down and then work them out and get them all the way up to here to wherever they go and disconnect
Okay.
them. Now you work on that and I'm going to go digging around back here and see if I can get this
You have fun.
apart. Oh, I have a secret plan.
You have a
Ha-ha.
plan?
I do indeed have a plan. I'm going to do this. Oh yeah. And you know what I get to do?
Tell me.
I get to use air tools. Have I mentioned
You're in love.
how
with
much
it.
I love this tool? Oh, you'll see. You'll see in a bit.
Okay.
I got to do some stuff. I think I got us a new thing for the set.
We have schematics.
For varying values of
those might tell
schematics.
us what those components are. For sure.
I thought you were doing cables. I thought you were doing
Okay.
cables. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna send you back to Belgium in a cardboard box. Check it out. I got a sign for the set.
Oh yeah.
Yeah! Like a boss!
Like a boss.
I'm gonna put this right back here. It's our set sign.
Cool.
I'll put it up there with our Motorola sign. All right, and now, okay. I need that, and I think that's just the one I need. Nope. It's gotta be that one. Totally, okay. I am victorious.
Oh, cool.
Look at that. I got it.
All high
It's
amperage
really
stuff.
heavy too. Yeah, check this out. We'll bring
Oh,
it.
oh, 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 oh.
Ah! Unplug it.
Yeah.
There, I unplugged it.
Done.
Check this out. Those are some very serious contactors. That's really cool. Really low voltage, but massive current.
Right.
That's cool. I like that. That's a contactor, yo.
Yeah.
All right. And now we're down to, this is the steering indicator.
Yes.
You can see the switches here. There's 4 of them, 4 micro switches. I'm gonna take those off. Oh yeah, look at that. 4 really nice little micro switches with rollers. Here, zoom in on that, it's kind of cool. There's 4 of them on there, 2 sets of 2 with rollers. And there's a cam on here that's staying on there. And yeah, that's booty. What's next? Ooh, I can get this out. Camouflage on some of this stuff is terrifying. It's like totally covered in gunge and you can't see it until you touch it and you're like, oh, there's a nut there.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Why the hell not? There's even that.
That's welded there. That's welded in place.
Welded in place?
Yep.
Oh.
The welds are broke on the back. You can see where it was welded here and they broke loose. But
there's this. I
get
have no idea what it is.
I know what it is. Removable. Not when that's
too
out.
big.
It's too big. I think I need the 10. Boom! This is the pump cut unit. There. Zoom in on that. They can even read the label. Pump cut unit. It's a type SCM2 9087 24 volt. And it's made by Hitachi. Take all these, put them up here with our contactors. Okay, I think that just about does it for the electrical back there. The only thing now is to get into the heavy metal. How you doing over here? You have a lot of wires. You have a whole lot of wire.
Almost done though.
Okay. That's cool.
And
now we got to
last
dig
one.
down to get to that. But I think that's another thing. Because this is a whole project up here.
Yeah, the hydraulic stuff and...
All right, so that wraps it for that section, and now we're going to dig into this.
Yep.
All right. So, you guys have fun. I'm Chris Bowden with the Geek Group.
And I'm Oliver.
We'll see you guys next time.
This video was made possible by a grant from the Future Girl Foundation.
This video was made possible by thousands of private donations from members and viewers like you. Please visit thegeekgroup.org for more information on how you can donate and become a part of our dreams of Avalon.